morning. This is Isabel here. Today I'm going to take my truck and tow it. So there. Okay. All right. So, okay. Good morning. All right. So I was made to pay 150 for the towing. All right. So they are going to tow my poor beautiful car back to the mechanics. Okay. All right. Okay. Again here. So that's what happened, and you know, it glanced. Okay, it's a motorbike. Glance it. Look at the airbag. The impact was so huge that the airbag came out, and yeah, it's also glass. The glass shattered. Well, but at least so the tow truck is here. All right. Taking a hydraulic and put it here and chuck it. All right. Have there. Okay. The steering wheel did not lock, so the tow driver had an ingenious way of solving that particular problem. Okay, all right, so he just knotting it up, you know, to tighten it so that the wheel, okay, doesn't go wobbly left and right while he's towing it. Okay, you see, this one here is lifted up, but the front, okay, might be going back and forth. I mean, the front, this one might be going back and forth. Oh, don't worry about me. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah. So there. So doing it to make sure that it stays steady. Wow, that's ingenious. This is Africa. Africa invention. That's cool. Very, very cool. Yeah, that's wonderful. Yeah. So this is it. This is the end product. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So it looks good, firm. Yeah. Okay. All right. Have we? Okay. Okay. All right, guys. There you go. So they are towing it, and it's gone. Right? It's gone. It's gone. All right. To Mr. Kwame's mechanic, capable hands. All right. Beautiful. Look, even here, look. Wow. Ghana road system is so narrow and stupid. Okay.